you are likely more capable than the life you are currently living. You have the ideas, the ambition, and the vision. It feels so real you can almost touch it. But when the moment comes to move, you freeze. You are part of a strange category of people, the smart but unsuccessful. This isn't a lack of talent. It's a psychological trap. In this video, we're going to break down the 12 truths that explain why your intelligence is being used as an anchor instead of a sail. Stay with me, because part 3 contains the only shift that actually breaks the cycle, the 3-part structure. The shield of perfectionism, the biological anchor. The architecture of action will divide this into 3 parts. First, we'll unmask the lies your brain tells you to keep you safe. Second, we'll look at the neurological marathon that's draining your energy. And finally, we will build the system to stop thinking and start becoming. Part 1. The shield of perfectionism. 1. Perfectionism is fear in a tuxedo. You tell yourself you're waiting for the perfect plan, but perfectionism is just fear disguised as excellence. It's your brain's way of ensuring you never start, because if you never start, you can never be proven average. 2. You are addicted to the fantasy, not the reality. It is easier to live in the dream of success than to test that dream in the real world. In the fantasy, you are already a master. In reality, you have to be a beginner. 3. Your intelligence has become a mask. Nietzsche warned that every profound spirit needs a mask. Your mask is your potential. As long as you don't try, you can keep believing you could succeed if you wanted to. 4. Inaction is the true opposite of success. Most people think failure is the opposite of success. They're wrong. Failure is a data point. Inaction is a dead end. Part 2. The biological anchor. 5. Your brain is in survival mode. When you think about a big goal, your amygdala, the brain's danger alarm, sees uncertainty and labels it a threat. It offers you dopamine scrolling, games to protect you from the pain of effort. 6. The observer's curse. Because you are smart, your default mode network DMN is overactive. You don't just do things, you monitor yourself doing them, like dancing while staring in a mirror. 7. Interoceptive misinterpretation. You feel your heart race before a big task, and your brain shouts danger. Instead of focus, you are misreading your own body's energy. 8. The fatigue of the hidden marathon. You feel exhausted at PM despite doing nothing because your brain has been running a simulation of every possible failure all day. Part 3. The architecture of action. 9. Structure is stronger than motivation. Motivation is a feeling that disappears when things get hard. Systems are what allow you to function when you feel like quitting. 10. Strategic absence of distraction. Successful people don't have more willpower. They have better environmental design. Every notification you turn off is a decision you don't have to waste energy on. 11. The power of imperfect action. You must give yourself permission to produce bad work. Quality is a byproduct of consistency, not a prerequisite for starting. 12. Behavior is biography. You are not lazy. Lazy is just a pattern you've been repeating. If you change the small, consistent choices, you change the person you become. Payoff and Teuve spent enough time imagining the life you want. Now, it's time to build it one small, uncomfortable decision at a time. If this video felt like it was reading your mind, drop a comment below and tell me, what is the one imperfect action you are taking today? Subscribe to join a community of people who are learning to see what's hidden. Stop planning, start living.